In primary open angle glaucoma, we studied about clinical features, the signs, anterior segment sign, corneal haze, sluggish pupil, intraocular pressure is raised, means greater than 21 millimeter of mercury. Optic nerve head evaluation, when we shall perform the uh, fundoscopy of the patient, we can observe that there is a change in cup to disc ratio, or there is cupping in the optic nerve head fiber damage in primary open angle glaucomatic patient will be observed. Asymmetry between two eyes, and this is a fundoscopic visualization shows rim. This one this one is the rim, and this is the cup size has been increased because of raised intraocular pressure. There is nasalization of the vessel fibers. This is temporal side and this is nasal side. Fibers are shifted in nasal side because of this cup size increase causes compression of optic nerve, and fibers are nasalized. These vessels are nasalized. That is the cup to disc ratio. Early glaucomatic changes means there is vertical over large cup visualized with the help of fundoscopy. Asymmetry of point 2 between two eyes. This is the cup to disc ratio. Large cup of for example 0.6 or more. Normal cup is 0.3 to 0.4, but in glaucomatic patient there is cup size is 0.6. Pallor of the disc, sphincter hemorrhages and atrophy will be found in the patient of glaucoma. Now advanced glaucomatic changes means advanced glaucoma patient have marked cup size means 0.7 to 0.9. That is the approximately advanced age. Advanced glaucomatic change, thinning of neuroretinal rim. There is nasalization of the retinal vessels, as I mentioned earlier, that vessels will shift to the nasal side because of cup sizes increase causes shifting of nasal vessels to the toward nasal side. There is pulsation of retinal arterioles. There is lamellar dot signs in glaucoma patient. Glaucomatic optic atrophy means atrophy of the optic nerve will happen, and neuronal tissue of the disc is destroyed, and optic nerve head appears white and deeply excavated. This is showing the cup size. Cup size has been increased. This is fundoscopy visualizing cup size. Advanced change in glaucomatic patient. Visual field defect will be complication of the glaucoma, and distribution of retinal fibers. There is papillomacular bundle change. Arcuate fibers will be changed in the patient. Arrangement of nerve fiber will also disturbed in glaucoma. So investigation, we will perform different tests, and we will use tonometry to visualize the angle of the structure, to tonometry to visualize the pressure of intraocular pressure. There is central corneal thickness and diurnal variation test, gonioscopy, and to visualize angle, and documentation of the optic disc changes, slit lamp examination of anterior segment. There is a perimetry to detect visual field defect, nerve fiber layer analyzer, and provocative test. Water drinking test will be performed in glaucoma patient. So what will be the therapeutic treatment for the glaucoma patient is the medical therapy. We will give the patient medicines, that which type of medicines are given to the patient to decrease intraocular pressure or to decrease production of aqueous humor. Argan or diode laser trabeculoplasty is performed. In this, trabecular meshwork is cutted to facilitate flow of the aqueous humor, and filtration surgery is kept in the last, because first we have to give treatment of the patient give treatment to the patient, medical treatment. If it is not resolving, the problems not resolving, then surgery should be kept in final. Antiglaucomatic drug includes parasympathetomimetic miotics, which decrease the production of aqueous humor. Sympathetomimetic drugs also causes decrease in production of aqueous humor. Beta blockers, carbonic anhydride